Hi guys, this is gonna be a quick DIY. I bought these ones in Dollar Tree. They're cookie trays, and I made some holes. And then I put some thumbtacks, one on each side. And this ones I got them on Dollar Tree too. These ones you have to make sure they have two magnets or magnets at the back, so you can hang them like that. So you can put your notes there. And then this one has a magnet too. I believe I got this on Dollar Tree too. I can't remember that. And then I'm gonna be putting two more on the top of this, and I'm gonna be using this thumbtacks so I can hang something there. But yeah, quick DIY.